Today I am reviewing the iLive under cabinet Bluetooth FM radio. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding a way to keep your kitchen countertops completely clear while still having access to your favorite music, news, and cooking timers can be a surprisingly frustrating challenge. When you are prepping meals, the last thing you want is a clunky device taking up valuable workspace or getting splashed with ingredients. That is exactly why the iLive under cabinet Bluetooth FM radio makes so much sense for a modern kitchen setup, and after putting it through its paces, it stands out as an incredibly practical and reliable addition to the home. Right out of the box, the design philosophy of this unit centers entirely around space-saving efficiency and everyday utility. Mounting it under a cabinet is a straightforward process, and the inclusion of the necessary hardware, including spacers and screws, means you do not have to make an extra trip to the hardware store just to get it running. Once it is securely installed, it completely changes the dynamic of your cooking area. It sits neatly tucked away, completely out of the line of fire from spills and counter clutter, yet remains perfectly accessible at eye level. When it comes to actual audio performance, this system delivers exactly what you need for a busy kitchen environment. The wireless Bluetooth connectivity is exceptionally stable, boasting an impressive 60-foot range. In practice, this means you can leave your smartphone or tablet on the dining table or even carry it into the next room without experiencing those annoying audio dropouts or stuttering connections that plague lesser Bluetooth devices. Whether you prefer streaming your curated morning playlists, catching up on an episodic podcast, or listening to an audiobook while washing the dishes, the wireless playback is seamless and effortless to pair. For those times when you just want to hit a button and have instant background noise, the built-in FM radio performs admirably. It pulls in stations with impressive clarity, and the ability to save up to 20 FM presets is an incredibly convenient feature. Instead of manually scanning through static every single time you want to switch from the morning news to an afternoon music station, you can just jump directly to your favorite saved frequencies with minimal effort. Beyond its capabilities as an audio player, this device shines bright as a multifunctional kitchen assistant. The integrated digital clock is bright and easy to read, thanks to the negative LCD display. The white backlight contrasts sharply against the dark background, making it highly visible even from across a large, well-lit room or during late-night trips to the fridge. Furthermore, the dimmer control is a thoughtful inclusion, allowing you to tone down the brightness, so it does not become a harsh glare when the kitchen lights are turned off. The countdown timer and single alarm features are absolute lifelines for everyday time management and meal preparation. Instead of constantly unlocking your phone with messy, flour-covered hands to check how much time is left on a roast, you can rely entirely on the loud, clear buzzer of this unit to keep your baking and cooking intervals perfectly on track. It integrates seamlessly into your daily routine, serving as a reliable backup for studying, managing chores, or keeping your morning schedule moving efficiently. Another major engineering win for this iLive model is the power configuration. It runs reliably on standard AC power using the included adapter, ensuring that you can listen for hours on end without worrying about battery drain. However, the inclusion of a AAA battery backup system provides immense peace of mind. If your neighborhood experiences a sudden power flicker or a full-scale outage, the battery backup ensures that your carefully set clock, alarms, and radio presets are completely preserved. You will not have to suffer through the tedious process of reprogramming the time and searching for your stations all over again once the power returns. In conclusion, this under-cabinet radio and media player successfully bridges the gap between old-school reliability and modern wireless convenience. It tackles the universal problem of kitchen clutter beautifully while offering clear reception, strong Bluetooth performance, and highly practical time management tools. For anyone looking to elevate their kitchen experience with seamless audio that stays completely out of the way, this unit is a thoroughly impressive, functional, and highly recommended investment for the heart of your home.